Tired of the cumbersome manual process of submitting merch by Amazon product listings? Are you spending too much time uploading your designs rather than researching and pumping out awesome merch products? Perhaps you use an assistant who spends hours upon hours submitting designs when they could be doing other more productive things. IntelliMerch Uploader is just the tool you need to help you quickly and easily submit your product listings in as little as 5 clicks. Here's how it works. Once you've installed this Chrome extension into your Chrome browser, start up IntelliMerch Uploader and drag and drop the image you want to submit to Merch by Amazon into the upload box. Your image is automatically checked to ensure it's the correct dimensions and file type that Amazon accepts. Select the image to open its product listing page and simply fill out all the options and text that you normally would, but all on a single page. Hit submit and IntelliMerch Uploader fills in the entire Amazon submission process for you. For design images that follow, you can use the convenient copy and paste buttons to clone the work that you've already done to other listings. Save even more time by using a previously saved template to populate the product options and text with a single click. Drag and drop your design. Select the image to open the product listing. Choose the template to fill in the options and text. Make any edits or changes. And click Submit to automate your submission to Amazon. And you're done. Best of all, this tool is free for you to use. There's no trial period. So it will always be your go-to Merch by Amazon product submission tool forever. There's no reason to delay. Go ahead and install IntelliMerch Uploader from the Chrome Web Store right now and start freeing up your or your assistant's time to do more important things.